an island in Pakistan. People lived in this island. Today, just 500 remain. The rising water level is submerging it inch by inch.
After a difficult boat ride, Asghar Ali Khati reached the island where he grew up. But it wasn't a homecoming worth celebrating. His family was forced to flee the Kharochan island in Pakistan's Thatta district due to seawater intrusion. 10 years later, Khati's house remains abandoned.
पहले इधर हमारे अब्बू रहता था, हमारे अब्बू का इधर कारोबार भी होता था, हमारा अपना दुकान भी होता था. अब तो उसी हवाले से
We used to live here until about 10 years ago. Our father had a shop. We used to have a little business. Nothing is left now because of cyclones, because of the intrusion of seawater, because of natural calamities. No one takes care of people here. If the government had done something, if someone had taken care of this place, the situation wouldn't have been this bad.
कोई देखभाल करता, कोई नजरसानी यहाँ इस इलाके पे करता, तो ऐसी सूरत हाल आज जैसा ऐसी सूरत हाल पैदा नहीं होती.
Several other families also left. The island was home to 12,000 people a decade ago. Now it has a population of less than 500. The exodus was long in the making. Kharochan was first threatened by frequent cyclones. Barriers built by the locals failed to control floods. Natural disasters destroyed agricultural land. Locals were left without any source of livelihood.
Seawater flows in the direction of our homes. People are forced to leave because they have no means of stopping the water. We don't have any means of earning a livelihood. There used to be an embankment, but no longer. Local laborers who used to build the embankment left the area. Also, they were not very effective.
मजदूरी छा कंदा वाला मजदूर माण्हू वेचारा जेके केतिरो घरनि खे मिसाल ईअं साइडनि खे बंदींदा जा ज़मीनूं बंदींदा.
Experts have said islands like Kharochan are suffering because of climate change. They say that unpredictable weather patterns have made the impact of natural disasters more severe.
We don't have storage when there's enough rains. We don't have the reservoirs to store that rain. And then, management, it's mostly management that we need to improve. Natural processes, you can't really control them so much. The only thing you can control is that you reduce your carbon footprint.
The writing is on the wall. Islands like Kharochan will remain at risk of being submerged until steps are taken to check global warming. South Asia Bureau, WION, World is One.